have a little clip here that's going to go to your back of your collar.
I know, that's beautiful. Mike Maraga might talk. Beautiful, but I'm powerful.
Change it like this. Okay, so that's like this.
ሌላ ሰው ጋር እንዳትጠጋ ጸጉሩ መስሯቸው እንዳያነሱት።
አይታይም ነው
በጣም ቀጭን ማይክ ማረግም አይታው
really ስናገር ዝም ብሎ ከሆነ እንትን እየወጣ ነው የሚመስለው
It's very tiny mic. I've never seen mic በጣም tiny ነው
For the purpose of sound check you might just put this in your pocket.
That's the mic I've never seen that's a tiny mic yeah isn't it crazy technology man
Okay
yeah incredible
and the front of house engineer is Ishai yeah so Ishai you ready? Yeah. All right. He's on the main wireless mic. Okay. This is his drink.
Yeah. Ooh, I like that red. Is that red?
Yeah.
The red color.
Yeah, they're working on it.
They're working on it. I don't think they're quite finished. Daniel? Yeah. Are you finished with the genie?
Yes.
You are? Okay.
Yeah, I
ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ እንደምን አላችሁ አሁን እንግዲህ ፕራክቲስ እያደረግን እንገኛለን ማይክ እዚህ ጋር ተሰክቶ ይገኛል ኦ ሶ ኤክሳይትድ አንተ እናት ይስማ እንደዚህ ኤክሳይትድ ይኮና
Ishai.
Come on,
coming down DJ. Motivational music.
I don't see anything coming down.
Should be on DJ line.
Yeah, I don't see anything coming. Oh, now I do.
Yes. This is nice. ሰላም እንደምናላችሁ ዛሬ ማርች 28 እንኳን በደህና መጣችሁ ሀገር በተሰጠ ማይታወቅ ተአምር አዶናይ የጠፋ Wow. Beautiful man. I feel like, oh Lord, take it. Okay, this is very accurate. Ishai?
Sir.
We do.
Good deal. So this will run throughout your lecture.
Okay. Amazing.
Very good.
So I can connect with my audience with this beautiful sound on the background. They're going to feel amazing.
Is that coming from your phone or is that coming from the DJ?
This is not coming from my phone. I think it's the DJ.
Coming from a phone over the DJ line.
Yeah, just make sure that it's on airline mode or something if it will come through the phone or from the phone, so we don't get all of a sudden a text or a phone call.
Ishai, would it be best if it goes into another set of channels?
Ishai, can you increase the volume for this one? This is the intro song.
I will, once I patch it to its own channels, come the DJ and this will be different levels.
Okay.
So the answer is yes. For right now, I can fake it if you want, but yes, I totally understand that intro is a little bit of hype.
Yeah. I just want to
Take care of it.
Thank you.
ስትገባ ነገር ስትገባ በየትኛው ላይ እንደምትገባ ነው አይደለም ወይ የትኛው ላይ ነው የምትገባው ሂዳ ተደረገና
እንደዚህ ሱታ
Yeah, go ahead.
ሳላይ ላይ ተቀይር እንዲህ ነበረ ካላፊ ከተስተተም ሰው ቢያወራ ስለኔ መሽከጅ ሰጥቶኝ አላቅም እዛ መራራ ስራ ነው ምስክሬ የወረስኩት ነው ከአባቴ ይህን ቀብራራ ኩራት ወደ ማታለ ራስ ያ ይሆን